Where are we now, Nami?
Number
What are we waiting for?
for takoyaki. Takoyaki 12個ください。
食べていかれますか？はい。チーズのトッピングはよろしいでしょうか？
大丈夫です。
ありがとうございます。中ダラです。ありがとうございます。注文いいですか？12個1つ。食べていかれました？食べていきます。
お客様味付け何されます？
ソース
マヨネーズの乗り方は
いいですね。
何もいらないですか？かけて
全部大丈夫です。
お大丈夫です。
8個3つ。はい。お買い物とか大丈夫ですか？はい。650円です。
Wow, check that out. This stuff is so hot that we have to wait to eat. It's way too hot. It's like little balls of lava in there.
いただきます。
It looks so hot.
Yeah.
Careful.
So hot.
Yeah, don't eat that if it's too hot now.
Actually, I wait.
Wait a minute. Yeah, it's way too hot to eat. You gotta wait like 5 minutes to eat this stuff because it's like lava. I mean, it's really the hottest food. It's gonna be really hot.
Hot?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's really hot though. It's got octopus inside, right? That's why it's called takoyaki. Taku is octopus. Wait, I'm trying to get you guys
You
see
can
this.
eat that. You can eat that.
Yeah, I'm trying to show the camera the little octopus while it's gone now.
Hot. Is it good?
Yeah. It's good, but wow, it's so hot. Try one ramen.
Yeah.
So what's in here anyway? How do they make these? It's like flour dough.
Flour
Salt's on here.
and
These are little fish flakes. These
mayonnaise.
mayonnaise, and inside we got octopus, right?
Octopus. So,
Yeah, take your time eating this. It's not a good idea to take one big bite. I think it's too hot. I think you handled it better than me, the heat. I don't handle the heat good. How is it? How was your takoyaki?
it was great.
It's really,
Did you like them?
yeah, it was delicious. It was really hot. Whenever you buy that food, you cannot. I don't know if you can hear me over the sound of that guy's speaker. You can't eat it immediately. You have to wait like 5 minutes. You know?
Yeah, it's too hot.
Yeah, because it's really hot. Really hot. And it's really salty tasting. It makes you want water so bad, I think.
Yeah. It's good.
We're gonna show you guys around a little bit, I guess. Just walking around here. Which way do you want to go?
Let's walk this shopping guide. Walk first.
You see any shops you want to stop?
これ2000万円で
Fake food.
Oh, they've got fake vegetables there, right? Like the
Yeah.
for
fake
restaurants in the front window of restaurants, you know?
food.
That's pretty cool. Fake food.
Cool.
Got a lot of those cats there.
Oh yeah.
Good souvenir shop.
Oh, I like this one.
The black.
Ippobashi?
Is this the nerd street you told me about?
Yeah, they have many anime stuff.
So, if you like anime stuff, you can come check out this street in Osaka, Nipponbashi Station. Oh, they've got these little vending machines here. I don't know what any of this stuff is. I like the frogs though.
Yeah, it's cute. And have any cat?
Any cat?
toys?
I don't know. Looks like they've got some good food around here too. We're both so stuffed right now that I can't eat anything for a while. So we have that takoyaki. Let's go take a sit-down break.
Yeah. I want coffee.
She wants some coffee.